Okay, this is the Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and I wanted to show you what it looks like front and back. I did another video where I unboxed it, but basically it's the Yoga. And one thing I found with this stand, I'm just gonna put it down careful here, is when you're trying to get it out, if you push this middle, it'll pop right out. And I really like how the stand is built in. So you got, and then the JBL speakers. This is the 10-inch. And I did get a package, so I'm gonna start it up for you so you can see how it boosts. I did get a package that included a screen protector and the cover. So that's on here. You can see I didn't get it quite perfect, a few bubbles, but pretty good. So now it's booting. Couple, not too bad to boot. It has USB-C, which I also liked because that's the future. So there's the USB-C port, and that's compatible with my cell phone. And then over here you've got the power and the volume, and I think that's a headphone jack. So this just arrived. I haven't, but I had turned it on and charged it and connected to Wi-Fi. So basically this is, you know, what it looks like. And the reason I got this tablet is I liked the front camera. It's quite good for a mid-range tablet, if you will, and a good back camera. And I plan to use it for video conferencing with clients, and has a big enough screen. And then the speakers built in. The sound seems pretty good. And my goal is that you could just pick it up and it's an all-in-one video meeting solution. So I just got these. This one just arrived. I'll show you the cover. They're charged in plugging. You can get the cover. I got a deal on a package, included the cover. And then because it has this kind of wide base down here, the cover's designed to fit that. So that came, they were running a deal online. That came with the sleeve and the film right on Lenovo. There's how it works. So if you're looking for that, I do think it works nice. So yeah, that's the Lenovo Smart Tab, or Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. And I hope this is helpful. See you next time.